The birds are busy this morning. That woodpecker right there. It's almost empty over there. I was going to go get Keith's camera because he's got a much better camera on his phone. Better phone. Let's see if they'll come. The woodpecker was over here, right there, just a few minutes ago. But they won't. Maybe if I shut up. Ooh, I did find a new thing for my tripod. I broke the $3 one I've had for 10 years, probably. But I just haven't pushed the order button yet. That guy's busy. There's only just a little piece left, but that's all right. Finish it up. I got another one. Yeah, I thought I'd come out here and maybe a couple chickadees would land at least because they're pretty used to me, but nope, they don't want me in this chair. Maybe if I sat over there in the green chair a little further away, I bet they'd probably come back. Let me see. It's snowy too, though. I'm getting my butt wet. Not at first. It takes a minute. Oh, I need to pull this over some so it doesn't get snowed on. I wasn't planning on doing all this with y'all. Sorry. There we go. That's my ashtray for guests right there. Free table for the porch. Been through 2 winters so far. It's holding up. It's like not even real wood, I don't think. I don't know. Let's see. I'm only in a sweater, y'all. I can't stand out here forever. Well, I think the only action we're going to get is this woodpecker right here. And I just don't have good enough zoom. It gets grainy, doesn't it? It looks grainy to me. Maybe it's better on a big TV. And if I could hold still, which is not going to happen, obviously. Little bird feeder's busy too, right? Oh, there's one, look. Ooh, there he is. He's like, nope, she's still there. The lady's still there. But she's further away now. Maybe it'll be all right. As soon as I go inside, it's going to be a highway. It's funny because I just realized just a little while back, my bedroom window is right up here. Well, 2 of them. And so I can't see this little bowl, but I can see I got hair fuzzy on my finger. But I can see the highway, the little bird highway, as they go back and forth from the trees to the, yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Oh, see, there was one coming and it turned around and went back because I'm here. All right, y'all, I'm going to go inside because I'm sitting out here in slippers and a sweater in the snow. But, you know, isn't it kind of peaceful? You can hear it falling. Oh, a chickadee just came. It's like trying to catch things on film that just don't want to be on film. They'll be busy all day. And I do have feeders full. That little feeder I can see, it's full right now. Woo! Did you hear that? That was a tree somewhere. A spruce tree fell. If a tree falls in the woods, will anybody hear it? I did just now. And oh, I have chicken feed out there in that one. I haven't had any turkeys at all this year. Well, I think that was just smoke came over the roof. That's good. My fire's going. I think it'll be a lovely, quiet day. It's no school today. Yes, I have 2 teenage grandsons, but they're going to sleep in and be quiet. Well, Isaiah won't sleep in, but he's been in a bunch of trouble lately. And so I think he's laying low today. He seems to be being very nice and quiet. So, at this point, I'll take it where I can get it, right? Peace is peace, and it's wonderful. Y'all enjoy your day. Oh, I haven't even showed you. The hot tub is in the garage. Next video. Take it easy.